The SkinTight holster is perfect for pocket carry. It's super thin, super skinny. It's got a hard Kydex core. You can't penetrate the trigger guard area. It's got a reference point for your trigger finger so that when you draw, you always land on the slide. You never end up in the trigger guard area for an accidental discharge. Inside the pocket, you just apply a slight side pressure, you draw, and you aim. But what about when you don't want a pocket carry, or you need to backpack carry, or carry inside a purse, or a briefcase, or a hoodie? Any compartment where you want the holster to stay. The SkinTight holster has an accessory kit that's for sale. It's separate. There are 2 Velcro tabs that apply to either side, and then the tether applies to the holster. Then you attach the clamp to fabric or a side seam. Again, to draw, you find the index point, you reach inside your backpack, you draw, you aim, the holster stays in place.